Hi guys, welcome back with the fourth, yes, the last. It's the last puzzle of yesterday's newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday, April the 28th, 2021. Yes, the last puzzle in the additional. Yes, additional with extra Sudokus. We have here one puzzle left, Tectonic with 1 star, and this will be number 2715. All right. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. This one I've already counted 21 printed digits, a lot. So it must be an easy one. For 1 star, for 1 star puzzle, I need 10 to 50 minutes to solve. So let's get started. Alright, and the first question is, can we see here the single box? I see here the single box. The single box is always a 1. Do we see here dual boxes? I see here a dual box. Dual box contains the 1 and the 2. The 2 is already filled in, so this should be a 1. Do we have more dual boxes? No, triple box. I see here the triple box. Well, I see here a 1, so those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. The 2 and the 3 are left. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright, do we have more triple boxes? No. Quadra boxes. Do we have quadra boxes here? No. Alright, so the next strategy is to recognize some shapes. For example, the T shape or T figure, T construction. Yes, let me draw this. Remember that this box has the same number as that box, and yeah, let me draw this. All right. So, and that box has the same number as this box. So this should be also a 1. All right. Do we have more T shapes? No. Then this kind of figure. Yeah. It's longer. Okay. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this should be also a 1. All right. Let me draw this. Okay. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. I see this kind of shape. Yes. Okay. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. Alright, so this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Then the following figure I see here. This kind of figure. Let me draw this here. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Then we have a Z constriction rotated. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. Z constriction. Let me draw this. Okay. So this box is the same number as that box. And also this box has the same number as that box. So this should be also a 2. All right. So those are the figures. Do we have more other figures? No. So let's get started with filling the numbers. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 3. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. We have a 1 here. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. Alright. Then. Let me see. 3, 4. These 3 boxes surround the 1. Cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Then. These 3 boxes surround a 5, cannot be a 5. Also, those 3 boxes surround this 5, cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. Alright. These 3 boxes surround a 5, cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. Alright. Then those 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Let me see. This box can be a 1. This box can be a 2. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for the number 3. 2 boxes left in this T. We have a T. I've missed this T shape or figure. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this should be a 2. And that box should be a 5. Alright. Now we have a 2 here. So this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 1. Alright. I think this box should be a 3. Because it cannot be 1. Can it be a 2? Should be a 3. Can it be a 4? Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 3. Alright. I think this box should be a 4. Because it cannot be 1. Cannot be a 2. Cannot be a 3. Should be a 4. Cannot be a 5. Alright. Correct. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be a 1. Should be a 2. Can it be a 3? Can it be a 4? Can it be a 5? Yes, correct. The 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box cannot be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 1 and 5. I cannot feel it. Oh, we have a 1 here. So this box cannot be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 5. Alright. We have a pair. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here 1, so this box cannot be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 2. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. Alright. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. Alright. 2 numbers left in this W-shaped area for the numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Alright. I think this box should be a 3. Because it cannot be 1, cannot be 2, should be a 3. Cannot be 4, cannot be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. I think this box should be a 4 because it cannot be 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, should be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. Alright. 2 numbers left in this T shape for the numbers 2 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and 5. Alright. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can it be 3, can it be 4, can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 1. 1 box left in this area for the number 3. Alright. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. Alright. This box cannot be a 2. This box cannot be a 3. So the 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 box left in this area for the number 4. Alright. 2 boxes left in this Z constructions for the numbers 1, 2, the 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. Alright. This box cannot be a 3. This box cannot be a 4. So the 3 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this area for the number 2. Alright. I think this box should be a 5 because it cannot be 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be 3, cannot be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box cannot be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 5. Alright. Let's go here. I think this box should be a 4 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be 3. Should be a 4. Cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Alright, 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright, those 2 boxes can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be here. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 2. Alright, the final 2 numbers of this area for the numbers 1 and 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Finish in 10 minutes. Yes, correct. 10 minutes. 1 star. Definitely 1 star. And I like this one. Yes. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. If I can make it, you can also make it. Alright. I like this one. Thank you for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists. If you like tectonics, I think I have 300 or 400 tectonics of the past 2 years. Yes, last 2 years. I've collected them, so you can find them in my playlist. Just go to my channel, subscribe, and you will also find other playlists. If you like 1-star Sudokus, I have a lot of 1 stars. I have also a lot of 2 stars, a playlist with 2 stars Sudokus, or 3 stars, or 4 stars. If you like killer Sudokus, I have a playlist with only killer Sudokus, or heavy Sudokus, or light Sudokus, or medium Sudokus. So subscribe, people, and you will find all kind of puzzles. Alright, thank you again. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you tomorrow on Friday. Almost weekend. See you then. Bye bye for now. Have a fantastic Thursday. Yes. See you then.